Teaching is in my blood. It brings me joy to work a classroom, to directly instruct students and to watch their minds take that momentous leap to the next level.
A famous quote from John Wooden once read, "Success comes from knowing that you did your best to become the best that you are capable of becoming." This connects to independence, for they never want us students to be stressed about trying to become perfect, but they want us to push the highest of our own limits.
Working at Independence High School for GUHSD has been an amazing experience from Title I to the attendance office. And now, in my third school year, I am currently the receptionist and I've become the head girls basketball coach.
This club means a lot to me. While I only have the remainder of this year to be a member, I am appreciative of this opportunity and will continue to guard it in my personal life as well.
That the way you guide the kids, that you coach, and how nice you are to them, and how understanding you are to them, I feel like has rubbed off on me and who I am today. And I would like to thank you sincerely from my heart for that and making me a better person.